Okay, to get out of the wind, we just pulled into this slip here and my live scope lit up. So I'm going to turn the phone and hopefully you'll be able to see it. If you can tell, there's something hanging down and it's got some huge crappie on it, right on that blue rope right there. So let's see if we can vertical jig these bad boys here. And there we go. See if we can get some of these suckers to bite. That's a good school of crappie on that scope. And they also look big. Wind is howling through here. It's even hard to cast. They're anywhere from 8 to 15 foot deep, right off that blue rope. Is. Oh, it's a dandy. Wow. There's what me and my buddy old Nick call a footlonger. Old Nick calls them a footlonger. That's a good fish right there, folks. Big and fat and long.